What is up, YouTube? It is ZDB Shoes here, back for another video. Got a very special video today. I'm going to be opening a Blazendary mystery box. I know a lot of people on YouTube seem to like these, so I figured I'd do one. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, so I'm pretty excited about this mystery box. I've seen a few people open these up and they usually have some pretty good stuff in it. So obviously, like I said, it's a Blazendary mystery box. I've seen Cash Kicks open one. If you guys don't know Cash Kicks, I'll link his channel below. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Let's grab the mystery box. And this is pretty interesting because this is actually a mystery bag. So it's only $150 mystery bag, box, whatever you want to call it. So if it's Hypebeast items, obviously that's not too much stuff. I know there's definitely probably a t-shirt in here and maybe like a keychain or some other type of accessory. Hoping to get some neat accessories. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and crack it open. Okay, we've got a, what is this, an XL? I don't know what size this is. It's a really neat bait tee though. It's got like a bunch of different of the bait gorilla heads. Really cool. I don't know if this is dead stock or not. The tag looks kind of worn and I don't know if it's supposed to be that way or not, but pretty interesting. It also looks like it has a little signature. It just says a bathing ape down there at the bottom in signature form. Yeah, pretty cool tee, white tee there. Pretty clean, crisp. I don't know if I want to take this out of the plastic or not because I don't know if I want to wear it. It is really cool. I love white tees. I would rather have the college tee, you know, the normal, have the simple bait gorilla head on there. I would prefer that, but this is a cool tee overall. Yeah, nothing too crazy, but a good pickup nonetheless. I don't know if I want to sell it or not. I'll probably look it up on StockX and see what the model is of this. Okay guys, after researching that a little bit, I couldn't find the exact tee online, but I did find out that the model is called Ideograph. If anybody knows anything about this tee, maybe what its value is, let me know down in the comments because I've never seen it, can't find it online. It must be like an older model, something like that. But you know, as with most bait tees, I'm gonna guess maybe $100. So let's look at the next item here. Ooh, we have I'm assuming this is bait since it's camo. Let's see, this one's actually already out of the plastic as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. Yeah, so we've got just a nice simple bait shoulder bag here, or waist bag, shoulder bag, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, definitely needs some adjusting. Okay guys, so I wish I had actually seen this when I opened it, but he actually included a list. But Blazendary, or whoever's working for Blazendary, actually included a list of the stuff that he put in the bag. So it says bait green camo waist bag, which is what I was just looking at, and then bait rare vintage silver faces tee, early 2000s. So really old tee, and now it has the name of the actual tee so I can go research and figure out what it is. Okay guys, so after a little bit of research, I found that Ideograph tee somewhere on Grailed. It was the black version. I could not find the white version. It was going for like $65. So that's okay, a little low, value is a little low for the bait. For bait tees, you know, they usually go to $1 to $150. But I'll take that for an older vintage tee. And the camo waist bag on Grailed was going for about $90. So that's right around 150 bucks. So, you know, I can't really complain about the items in the mystery box. Should I be able to make money off them? Probably not, because the value's right at 150. I'll probably get a little less back for what I paid for, because I just don't like to let things sit. I'll sell them at a little lower value just to get them out of my hands. But I also might end up keeping some of this stuff. I know I definitely need a waist bag or shoulder bag, so I might end up keeping this. I don't know about the tee. I do like the tee, but I might end up selling it because I know I probably wouldn't end up wearing it that much, and I'm really bad about getting white tees dirty. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just the tee and the waist bag, and comes out to just right around $150. You hit the nail on the head with the pricing there, so can't really complain about that. But if you guys are looking to buy this and maybe make some money off of it, it might not be the best mystery box. You're probably gonna have to get a box that costs a little bit more. I don't know how high Blazendary's mystery boxes go up to, maybe 500, 2,000, whatever, but I know I've seen with other mystery boxes like Laced Up and eBay and other places like that, you have to really spend a lot of money to make a lot of money. And that's with anything anyway. I just wanted to show you guys, like possibly if you want to buy a Blazendary mystery box for the personal, maybe get some stuff that's not in stores or not on the racks right now and see what's in there. But if you're trying to make money, it's probably not the thing to do. It's really fun to see what he can put together though, and he does throw in some stickers and a 10% off coupon for the next time. So that's really cool. You know, everybody needs a Blazendary sticker if you're a Hypebeast. But anyway, guys, that pretty much wraps up the video. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see me do more higher value mystery boxes, I can for sure do that. Just let me know in the comments. Yeah, guys, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and I'll be coming at you with more content soon, guys. Peace.